What's going on, guys? The next 7 days, the next week, not only is big for Bitcoin, I talked about this in my most recent video. I think Bitcoin is on the cusp of potentially setting a new all-time high. Now, nothing is guaranteed. None of this is financial advice. We're all speculating, but things are looking very, very good on the charts. But there are also ways to make money in this market. And this is what we're going to talk about with these 11 altcoins for the next 7 days that could be getting ready to go down here in the short term. And that's okay when you understand how to make money when the market goes up and understand how to make money when the market goes down. Now, you guys know I've got XT Algo. That's my trading indicator. Check that out at some point after this video. There's a huge discount code, little over $1 a day. This will help you trade all 11 of these altcoins that we're going to talk about in this video. And I'm going to tell you why we could be getting ready for a golden opportunity to short the market in these particular areas or get ready to buy the dip on these. If you don't, or if you're not comfortable with leverage trading, which I've got my Margex link down there, that's fine. You can wait and strike when the iron's hot. When the bottom is in on these altcoins, it might be a good time to then accumulate. And this is ways that you gain an edge in the market. And that's what we're going to highlight and go over in this video. So guys, hammer that like button. You're not going to see a ton of videos like this on YouTube, okay? A lot of people just hype things up. We try to give you guys a real edge in the market. We do our best every single day. You can count on me, rely on me. I will be here for you guys. Let's dive in, all right? Let's dive in. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already. And let's talk about this because according to Tokenomist, the single large amount unlocking of more than $5 million in the next 7 days includes these cryptos. Now, we're going to take a look at some of these in comparison with the moves that are already happening. So what this means is private investors are getting ready to have access to these tokens. So short-term volatility could be seen. There is downside risk with all of these, and we'll highlight them. And again, we'll take a look at some of the charts, especially this first chart here. Large token cliff unlocks from 1028 to 1104. So at some point here in the next 7 days, this is going to be unlocked. Now, TIA, that is Celestia, which had an unbelievable run earlier this year. They are getting ready to unlock 81+% of its supply. This is a massive deal, meaning 81% of the token supply has been locked up in, private investments. I'll get a sip there. All right. 81%, guys, this is huge, okay? The value here, $923 million, almost $1 billion getting ready to be unlocked from TIA alone. So this is one that I want to focus on more than anything. Now, we've talked about SUI. We're going to come back to TIA in just a minute. We've talked about SUI. And SUI is one of my top altcoins, but there's a reason why I took profits. It's because I had this information. I know an unlock is coming on SUI on November 1st. Now, TIA, I was not able to find the date exactly, but it's at some point here in this next week, which starts today, by the way, okay? The week starts today. But look at SUI, guys. I mean, you want to talk about some opportunity here. We started to short SUI and basically say, hey, we're probably going to go down once we hit an all-time high. We hit an all-time high of $2.30, $2.36 to be exact, back on October 13th, about 2 weeks ago. $2.36. Look where we are now today. We're at $1.70. Why? People are taking profits, including myself. I told you guys that I was taking about 30% off the top to lock in some gains. And look where we are. We're at $1.70. People are speculating that the price is going to go down a little bit in the short term. Now, how far will this come down? I could see maybe even coming down a little bit more, maybe to $1.50 leading up to the unlock. We shall see. Anything is possible. No matter what, though, we're looking for that entry. We're looking for a new entry. And again, this is why, XT Algo could really help you because you could have the SUI chart as an alert. Basically, when momentum up, appears on this chart again, that's your entry. So there's SUI. Now, I want to show you guys TIA. Again, this is a massive unlock getting ready to happen here on TIA. Look what's happening here in the last week. This is smart money understanding what's happening. They are shorting the market, down 11.5% in the last 7 days, down 18% in the last month. If you go out to the last year, look at this. We set all-time highs on Celestia back in February at almost $21. Since that time period, we were down 75% from the previous all-time high, which is, again, set earlier this year. Now, Celestia is listed on all the top-tier exchanges. You can't, bet that the market's going to go down on Coinbase or something like that, but you can do it, on platforms like Margex. Now, Margex does not have TIA listed, so you can't do it with TIA, but, you can do it with some of the other large caps. I believe they have SUI here. Yes, they do. Okay, so you can bet on SUI going down here over on Margex. But Celestia, we could take a short elsewhere too, and you want to see where the high volume is, places that'll let you short the market a little bit. This is going to be interesting to watch play out. Now, again, you could sit here and wait for the entry too, right? Now, coming back to this chart, so we've got TIA. That's a huge unlock happening. SUI, you've got a meme. This token's going to unlock 13% of its supply. Okay, Optimism, IMX, even Gala Games. Look at Cardano. It's a small percentage, 0.05%. But again, this is how you gain an edge. Now, we've also got linear unlocks happening within this week period. The big one here to be watching is WorldCoin. So WorldCoin could have some downside risk short term, WLD, because 6.45% of their circulating supply is going to be unlocked. You could see here, say, near, dot, small percentages, Beam, Filecoin, SUI again for this linear unlock. But the large token cliff unlocks, again, Celestia could see some really big downside risk. And I think SUI could come down a little bit more. And this is where we sit and wait or short the market. Okay. This is how we gain an edge in crypto, guys, having the necessary information and acting on it. Again, if you guys are interested, XT Algo, 30-day money-back guarantee. These numbers are slashed by 21%, a little over $1 a day. You can get started. Here's the great thing. It's a 30-day money-back guarantee. You could basically try this risk-free for 29 days. If you don't like the product for whatever reason, I think you're going to love it. But if you don't like it for whatever reason, full refund. No questions asked. XT Algo, the links are down below, guys. This is what it's all about. Having the necessary information and making plays on the market, knowing what you know. So shout out to Woo Blockchain for putting this insight out there. Definitely give them a follow over on X. Give me a follow on X too. My link is down below. We're constantly putting out great insights and details here as well. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. See you guys in the next one.